Did you know that just 5 simple exercises can fix most mobility problems people struggle with every single day? Stiff hips, tight backs, achy joints. If you're dealing with any of that, stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do. Let's start with our first exercise, hip airplanes. You've probably never heard of this movement, but physical therapists consider it one of the most powerful exercises for hip mobility and stability. Stand on one leg with a slight bend in your knee. Hinge forward at the hips and extend your other leg straight behind you, forming a T shape with your body. Now here's the key. While holding that position, slowly rotate your hips open toward the ceiling, then rotate them closed toward the floor. Keep your standing legs stable and your core tight the entire time. If this feels tough, that's normal. Your balance will be challenged and your hips will work in ways they probably haven't moved in years. Start by holding onto a wall or chair for support. Aim for 5 to 8 rotations per side, then build up to 10 to 12 over time. Most people only move their hips forward and backward when they walk or sit, but your hips are designed to rotate in multiple directions. When you lose that rotation, your body compensates and your lower back takes the hit. That's why tight hips and chronic back pain almost always go together. Hip airplanes restore that natural movement. Now that we've opened up the hips, let's move into a position that restores mobility throughout your entire lower body. The deep squat hold with arm reach improves hip mobility, ankle flexibility, and upper back rotation all at once. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly turned out. Slowly lower into a deep squat, heels flat, chest tall. Place one hand on the ground, reach your other arm toward the ceiling and rotate your upper back, following your hand with your eyes. Hold for a breath, then switch sides. Do 5 reaches per side. If getting into a deep squat feels difficult, elevate your heels with a towel or small plate. This makes the movement easier while still giving you the benefits. Next up is the couch stretch. Simple, but incredibly effective. This stretch targets tight hip flexors and quads, muscles that shorten from sitting all day and quietly destroy your posture. Most people arch their lower back here. Don't do that. Instead, tuck your tailbone and squeeze your glute on the back leg. You should feel a deep stretch in the front of your hip, not pain in your lower back. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds per side, breathing slowly. Now let's restore movement in an area almost everyone ignores, the upper back. Thoracic open books improve rotation in your mid-back, open your chest, and reduce neck and lower back strain.
Lie on your side with knees bent and stacked, arms straight out in front of you. Slowly open your top arm, rotating toward the floor behind you, following your hand with your eyes. Keep your knees together the entire time. Do *8-10 reps per side ***. Finally, the movement most people desperately need, 90-90 hip switches ***. This exercise restores internal and external hip rotation, key for pain-free movement as you age. Sit on the floor with both legs bent at 90 degrees, one in front, one behind. Sit tall. Lift your knees slightly and rotate your legs to the other side, switching positions. That's 1 rep. Move slowly. Avoid using your hands. Here's how to put it all together. Hip airplanes, 2 sets of 8 per side deep squat arm reach, 2 sets of 5 per side couch stretch, 30-60 seconds per side open books, 2 sets of 10 per side 90-90 switches, 2 sets of 8 total. Time, 15-20 minutes ***. Do this routine consistently, and within a few weeks you'll feel looser, stronger, and more confident in your movement. The key isn't intensity, it's consistency. Your body was designed to move. You just have to remind it how.